Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Welcome to part 2 of my craft room organisation, pack up, move and set up to my brand new craft room in our new house. We will be picking up the keys next Tuesday, so we are getting a lot of things sorted here at the moment, and the craft room is one of the last rooms to be packed up. It's such a challenge. So today I am working on this section here, and I'm also going to attack the bottom of this cupboard. Thanks for being with me. This has been a dumping ground for projects that I know that I need to make, projects that I've made, bits and pieces that don't have a home. So what I've decided to do is put most of it in a box for current project things that when I get to the new house, I will actually open this box and look for a proper storage solution. So I'm just going to pop in these beautiful Jelly Roll gel pens because I need to do another 2 videos on those. I've got this little box that I thought would be really nice to decorate. I've also got this gorgeous Ferris wheel that I'm going to decorate, so I'm going to pop that in there. These are all things that are coming up on my channel. Camera lens that can just sit over there for now. I've got a set of cards here that I have finished, and I can't wait to show you these cards. It's a set of 12 cards, and it is made using Minte Dreamer collection. I love these cards. I'm just going to put them carefully in the box because there's 12 of them, so that's a lot. Get them in there. Carefully. I have some tiny little paper here which I have planned, a video planned for that. I have some note cards here that go in this drawer. I have these little snap lock bags full of fussy cut items, Minte collections that are ready to be created. I've got a set of beautiful cards there in my head that I'm planning on doing. This is just some of the Minte papers, so I can put that with the Minte paper collections, which I'm going to sort out, so I'm going to pop that over there. This is totally uncraft room related, so that can go to a different room. We've got these foam dots, so I might just sit them up there in one of those bowls, and this is my die cutting thing that I've been working, my die cuts that I've been using. As you can see, I'm in big need of some organisation of my die cuts. So when I get over to the new house, I'm going to definitely sort those out, but for now I'm just going to put them in there. Okay, well that's looking a lot better. I'm going to have to pack all of this away. My paper collections that are just there I'm going to leave as they are and just carry them over in the car. Hopefully they'll transport okay. All of these boxes under here will transport fine in the car. So my next step now is to get down underneath the bottom of this cupboard and clear out everything that's in the cupboard and empty that out. The drawers I'm not going to empty because I can just pull that drawer out and put it in the back of the car. But the cupboards will have to be emptied out, so I'm going to start with that. Here I am. I've got these 3 cupboards to pop into this box now, and then I'll be happy that I've done a little bit of my packing away today, so let's get started. my exploding box that I love. I haven't given this to anyone. I've actually got a video tutorial on that I haven't edited yet, but how pretty is it? I'll have to publish that video one day. Gold pens. Love those. I think this will have to go in a different box. It's a big Hazelcraft colouring in books. I'll just sit them there in the next box. Let's move up to this one. There's not that much in this cupboard. It's really big. Got some acrylic blocks. Muslin. Some products there. Some business cards. Jar of vintage buttons. Left over from when I did the scrapbooking cruise. Some ink pads. Oh God, I never use these. I think I'm safe to get rid of those. They can go to somebody else. What else have we got? Paintbrushes, watercolor brush. There's all sorts of things down in this cupboard. Hazel trimmer, cleaner. That's a cleaning thing. Just got some random little jars in here. Ink pads, these ones I do use sometimes. She's lost her wings, that girl. Hazel cutter there as well. So still got, so that box is pretty much full. I'm going to clean this box underneath the bottom of the white cupboard so I know what goes in there. And then I just need another box for those. That's done and the bottom of that cupboard is done, so that was quite quick and easy. It actually surprises me how easy it is to pack a box, and it's not that hard. I think sometimes the hardest part is mentally preparing for it and thinking about it. So we're getting there. Part 2 is completed now. Part 3 I'm going to work on that side of the room which you can't see, so I'm going to turn the camera around and put everything else over there in its spot and pack it away. And then after I get that finished, I'm going to start this bit here, the top of this cupboard, which I'm kind of nervous about, but I can do this, right? Thank you for your support. Thank you for helping me along the way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of the journey of the pack up, the clean up, the organisation and the setup of my new craft room. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.